It's here. 500. This should be 520, but she doesn't have 20 peso paper bill. I'm gonna give her 500 peso change. Hold on. Hello there, guys and gals. Good morning to every one of you. One lovely and sunny morning. How's your day? Day 94 of not waiting for a week before I change my coins into Philippine peso paper bills. Road to 1 million peso saving challenge. Do the same thing, okay? Earn, save, invest on your own, not in any networking or in any pyramiding scams. Not too good to be true promises, business transactions, or any business proposals. Avoid that. Otherwise, when you got failed, you will feel upset, depressed, devastated, sad, mad, angry, and whatever kind of feelings that you will have. Beware and be aware, okay? Bye for now. Road to 1 million peso saving challenge.